Today we're going to show you how easy it is to wire Oracle's OCI GenAI services and the LLMs they provide into Cline so that you can code faster with whatever LLM you choose. To get started, we're going to go out and go to Analytics and AI and into our GenAI service. We're going to go down to create an API key, and we're going to make sure we create it in the correct compartment. So we're going to use this compartment today. We'll now create this API key. All right, once we enter all that in, we'll go create. Now this is the only time the API keys will be shown, so make sure you copy and save them. Now once our keys are created, we need to go over here and copy the OCID and save that as well. Now we can create our policy so users can access this. Now one thing you want to make sure of, we're going to implement the policy on our compartment that we created the keys in. This will need to be created at a higher level. All right, now in my markdown, I show an example of this policy, but essentially you're just going to make sure that you have the correct compartment, and you're going to paste your OCID that you copied earlier in here. So go ahead and hit create. All right, now we're going to go out and we're going to form a URL that we'll use when we wire this in Cline. In the markdown, you'll find an example that's like this. You need to look at which region you use the GenAI service in. We're in Ashburn, so we'll put in here US-Ashburn-1, and this is the path for the OpenAI-compatible GenAI URL that we're going to use. Next, we're going to go out to Cline itself. We do assume that you have Cline and VS Code installed. There are plenty of videos out there if you don't on that. You're going to go here and you're going to choose OpenAI-compatible, right? Right, next, we're going to paste in that URL that you just updated with your region. You're going to grab your API-compatible key that you copied earlier, and you will put that in. And last but not least, you're going to need to select your model. So if you're not sure which models are available, you can simply go out back to your GenAI service. For the region that you're in, you can go into Playground, and you will see here all the models that are available in that playground. We're going to use Grok 4.3 for today's example. All right, so we'll put that in. Go ahead and click Done, and now we can test. So here you can see that we have a Cline fully config to use whatever model of choice we need for our next sprint inside Oracle's OCI GenAI services.